get my hair trimmed, and I wanted to do a before picture of my hair. So currently it's right here. So, and it's wild, so it's right there, stretched out. I'm trying to look like a different woman. Birthday vibes. Ew. I'm gonna try to film this whole process. I'm gonna try to. Let's go. Yes. Plot out, y'all. And this is the after. Yeah, I really, really like how she styled my hair. My hair have not been this straight since, I couldn't even tell you when. But I can't wait to see it curly. I'm going to enjoy the straightness. Don't get me wrong, but I can't wait to see them curls pop. She layered it. I wanted the length to stay for now. But I wanted it to give some shape. But my hair is so, like, fine that I think you'll see, I'm praying at least, more, of course, fullness when it's in its natural state. And the layers pop out more, what have you. But I'm going to enjoy the straightness, y'all. It's like freaking silk. And she did it like so fast. I see that gray popping out. Which I know about that gray hair though. I kind of jacked it up, didn't I? But she did it all within an hour. Wash, blow dry, and styled it with a flat iron to get me some of the curls or what have you. But I couldn't do that if I tried, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But I really think she did an awesome job. So, no complaints, y'all. So, this is my video for today. And I will see you guys tomorrow, I think. Deuces.